Hey guys, happy Sunday here on this blustery day. Actually, the wind has kind of died down right now, so it's nice. We thought we'd take this time to go ahead and descale our water heater, tankless water heater. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. All right, guys, we ran into a bit of a problem, so we got to run to Ace real quick and get a connection so that it goes this way because the hose would not fit between here for some reason. It's hooked up like that. And yes, you can run into problems when you do things DIY. See you in a sec. All right, so we ran to town, went to Ace, could not find what we were looking for, so we are going to try and figure something else out and be a little creative. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we ended up we couldn't find what we needed at Ace, like I said, so now we are, or Bubba is, we turned off the gas and are disconnecting that pipe so that we can put the hose fitting on. Stay tuned. All right, so we got just about everything hooked up, and now that's just what's in the bucket and the pump. All right, guys, so while Bev is doing this, I'm gonna go ahead and set up and we'll see what comes out.
You gotta stick the hot side back in the bucket to circulate your water.
Okay, so let's see what comes out.
We gotta open the valves.
Okay, opening up the valves now.
We gotta plug it in.
Plug in the pump in and let's see what happens. Woo! Okay, nothing gross yet. So from what I've heard and seen, that a lot of these come out with gunk. So far, of course it just started, ours is pretty good. Look at that.
It's supposed to run 30 minutes to an hour.
And it just circulates the water. So stay tuned, we'll see if we get any gunk out. right, guys, so we are back home. It has been an hour, so we are going to go see what it looks like and turn off the descaler. All right, so here we go. It's 4:56. We start at 4 o'clock. Let's see if there's any good stuff in there. Ooh, a lot of good stuff. Look at all that grime. Well, there you have it. It works. I hope you guys can see all that in there. All right, so the last thing to do is turn off everything, unhook it. Bub's gonna go get his thread tape to rethread the pipes. I believe the gas pipes. I don't know, but it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It was super fun. Not the best quality, but you know what? We had fun doing it, and we'll see what kind of goodies he says we're gonna get out of here. I mean, there's a lot of yucky stuff in there. Lots of yucky stuff.